Hello friends, this is Mohammed Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMSTech. Today I am going to show you how to upgrade your PC with PCIe M2 SSD card. To DDR3 8GB RAMs to upgrade my PC OptiPlex 9010 Dell solid state drive. This one M2 SATA SSD. This one 128GB. I purchased one internally the PCIe card. This one help us to connect this M2 SSD and NVMe SSD SATA cable and some tools, and also the PCIe card. We will use this one to connect M2 SATA SSD in our OptiPlex 9010 Dell. So you can see here we have two slots here. One we can use for NVMe. This one will give us read write speed up to 7000, and this one M2 SATA SSD, it will give us speed as per this M2 SATA SSD. This one max it will provide us speed of read and write 500 and 500 MB speed. So today I'm going to connect this one here, and I will show how to install in this OptiPlex. So I will connect this SATA M2 SSD here. Just insert it, and you have already they provided a screws, small screws. You can connect here and screw it tightly, gently, not tight too much. This one is fixed now. In this CPU I already have 4GB DDR3 RAM, so I will remove this one. So you can just do it like this, and it will comes out automatically. You can see here. So I will insert this one in first slot. This is first slot, and I'm using another one, second slot. This is second one, 8GB. So we have to remove this one slowly. Just push it and it will go outside. Then you can remove this one plus first slot slowly. You can see here I already connect this M2. Then I will just insert here. I'm using this slot 1. You can see here it will be perfect in slot 1. Just push it, so it's fixed here. Now you can just close this one. It's fixed. So you can use now SATA cable. You can use SATA cable. I'm using here SATA 2. It's connected. You can just set this one here. I already have one hard disk also in my PC, so I will use this one as a secondary hard disk. So this one I will use as a primary. So I will boot my OS from this M2 SATA. Also I already have 4GB, the previous one I will use here. So after this one, I suggest you to upgrade the BIOS also, because it will support when you once you upgrade the BIOS, the 4 RAMs also, it will be without any lag and without any trouble, it will work very smoothly. So you have to make sure that upgrade your BIOS, then it will be okay. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get new updates. Thank you for watching.